Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadira Imani binti Ahmad Rahim Zakri.
My name is Nawatika Izzar Bikiza.
My name is Fatimah Hani binti Abdul Aziz.
So today we are going to present our group project, which is early stages of Indians' chronic kidney disease.
Based on the web observation in the internet, the statistics stated that 9.07%, of which 0.36% are at stage 5 chronic kidney disease or end-stage renal disease. Chronic kidney disease can be diagnosed with blood and urine tests. The main test for kidney disease is a blood test. So there's many ways in finding out the disease by collecting data is one of the method. There's three project problem statement. The first one is data set have so many missing values, noisy data and outliers. And the second one is some of the attribute needs to normalize and discretize. The third one, data mining data set are too large to process directly. The detail of the data set. The source of data set is from Dr. Pisang Darapandian, who is a senior consultant nephrologist at Apollo Hospital, India. The attribute contain 25 attributes, which consists of 11 numeric and 40 nominal data type. And instances consist of 400 instances, and the missing value is exists in the data sets.
Okay, for the literature review, written by Abdul and Aisha in the year of 2017, chronic kidney disease or CKD, also known as chronic renal disease, which is progressive loss in kidney function over a period of months or years. The estimated prevalence of CKD is about 9 to 13% in the general adult population. Signs and symptoms of CKD, if present, are generally not specific in nature, and unlike several other chronic diseases, they do not reveal a clue for diagnosis or severity of the condition. Kidney damage in kidney-related disease can be caused by the presence of albuminuria, defined as albumin to creatinine ratio more than 30 mg in 2 of 3 spot urine specimens. Next, written by Saha and Mitra in the year of 2019, chronic kidney disease damage one's kidney and blood can't be filtered if the kidney becomes damaged. At the first stage, most of the time, it has no symptom. In the second stage, some problems appear as leg swelling or feeling tired. Sometimes it occurs some critical problems like heart disease. The symptoms are weight loss, shortness of breath, itchy skin and muscle cramps, headache, disturbance of sleeping, and many more. Albumin is a big factor for kidney damage. If the albumin is high on body, then it becomes risky for the kidney. Statistics say that every day about 340 people are injured with this problem. Okay, for the numeric attributes, there are 11 attributes. So for example is age, the minimum is 2, the maximum is 90, the mean is 51.483, and the standard deviation is 17.17. The rest of the attribute you can see on the slide. The next slide also is attributes with the mean, max, mean, and standard deviation. Okay, moving on to the nominal attribute, there are 14 attributes. For example, RBC. RBC stands for red blood cell. The value is 2, and the count is 201 and 47. The next slide is also example of the attribute. Next is missing value. Missing value is remove the missing value by using filter replace missing value. The filter will replace the missing value with some other value instead of removing it. Okay, so for example, the attribute of age, the missing value is 9%, and BP, which is blood pressure, the missing value is 12%. The next slide is also the attributes. Okay.
We move on to the noisy data. Method to deal with noisy data is to remove the outliers and extreme values. First, we need to find whether there is noisy data or not by using filter interquartile range. If there is noisy data, we remove it by using a filter remove with values. On the right, as you can see the outcome of using an interquartile range. There is outliers and extreme value attributes. Next one is outliers. After using the interquartile range filter, there are 57 outliers finding out, and we remove it by using filter remove with values. This is the outcome of the data set after being cleaning. The process that involve in cleaning is replace the missing value and remove the outliers. Normalize. We use min and max for normalization. It is because there is a large value of attribute BGR, which is blood glucose random, and the max value is set as 1. Next one is discretize. We implement 3 bins for attribute H. In here we discretize only one attribute, which is H. On the right is the outcome of the discretize. It divided to 3 categories, which is infant to the age of 33, and 33 to 67, and 67 and above. This is the outcome of the data set after being normalized. The process that involve are normalize the numbering attributes and discretize 3 bins for attribute each.
Okay, we moving on to the model development. Okay, first we use a method cross validation false, which is K10. Okay, this is the result of the method, which is classifier's accuracy for this method is 97.3761%. And on the bottom right, there's a tree for this method. Okay, next, the cross-validation fold for K20, and the result is a classifier accuracy for this method is 97.3761%, which is same with the K10. And here is the result of 3 of this method. Okay, for the percentage split 70-30, training size is a 70%, and the result is a classifier accuracy for this method is 96.1165%. And for the percentage split 90-10, which is training size is a 90%, the classifier's accuracy for this method is 100%. Okay, after that we do a reduction. We use method best first to find the best attributes. There is 4 selected attributes, which are blood pressure, blood glucose random, blood urea, and serum creatine. Okay, this is the result after we reduce the attribute. There is a 20 data that is stated here. Okay, after reduction, we repeat the model development step. First, we do the cross-validation for K10, and the classifier's accuracy for this method is 98.2507%. Okay, next, cross-validation for K20, and the result is classifier's accuracy for this method is 98.2507%. Same, just like for K10. Okay, next, for the percentage split 70-10, which is training set is 70%, classifier's accuracy for this method is 96.1165%. Next, for the percentage split 90-10, which is training set is 90%, the classifier's accuracy for this method is 97.0566%. Okay, for the compare result, full data set for cross-validation method, the classifier's accuracy is less accurate than reduced data set, while for training sets, classifier's accuracy is more accurate rather than reduced data. And also for the reduced data, for cross-validation method, the classifier's accuracy is more accurate than full data set, and for training sets, classifier's accuracy is less accurate rather than full data set. This is the references that we use in our project, and I think that's all from us. Thank you.